Welcome to another video in the FDUL2901 Firefield Assist Digital Learning Module series. This video is about mobile operation and actions. In the test details, tap additional actions to open the list of available features. Let's start with detector covering. This feature is only available for Synteso Nova and Cerberus Nova detectors with smoke entry supervision. If you forgot to remove the detector covers during installation of the new Siemens detector generation, you can use this feature to identify the affected detectors. Once the feature is enabled, the app checks the devices, and after about 5 minutes shows which detectors are still covered. After that, you can remove the covers. Another feature available for the new Siemens detector generation is insect grid soiling. This function is only available for Synteso Nova and Cerberus Nova S detectors with smoke entry supervision. To start the check, simply enable the feature. This function monitors the soiling level of the insect grid and indicates when contamination has reached a point where reliable detection can no longer be ensured. If that happens, the insect grid needs to be replaced. The process takes about 5 minutes, and the results are then shown in the app. If you want to activate a device's alarm indicator or switch an output on an I/O module, the process is straightforward. First, tap Activate Outputs. Then select the device or devices you want to control, and tap Next. Now choose the required output. In this example, we will activate the alarm indicator. Enable the alarm indicator, and then tap Apply. To deactivate it later, simply disable the alarm indicator, and tap Apply again. You can export the test results in 2 formats. Use a CSV file for documentation and reporting, or an FSM file for system configuration and advanced analysis. You can download it to your device, or share it. In the Actions tab in Device Details, you can check the firmware version currently installed on your device. If a newer firmware version is available, the app will notify you and prompt you to download it. To perform the update, download the latest firmware to your device. Then open Firmware Details, select the Cloud option, and tap Install. Make sure your device stays close to the FFA during the loading process. Once loading is complete, the firmware installation begins on the FDUL2901. When the installation is finished, the device restarts automatically. After the restart, tap to reconnect. The app will then display a message confirming that the firmware has successfully been installed.